It's true that Karlsson has always had a solid reputation, and the analysts agree. But today they are a far more agile and innovative company. They can nimbly react to a changing political climate, to volatile demand, and to a buyer's market. They are able to develop new products quickly, more efficiently, and at lower risk. They can act on potential issues on the shop floor and automate steps to address them and save time. But this wasn't always the case. The old way of managing the supply chain just wasn't cutting it. There was a lack of real-time responsiveness. We all know what we're like as customers. We want personalized goods and services, and we want them quicker and cheaper. And the B2B environment is no different. And to stay viable, Karlsson would have to meet the demands of its ever-expectant customers while operating at mass production cost efficiency. The board, wise bunch that they are, knew all of this. Yes, technology was a big part of the answer, but they also needed someone who understood their business. Someone who could help them optimize the value of their operations and had a track record of delivering innovation. They called on the help of Capgemini and SAP, who with smart operations were jointly able to guide Karlsson in digitalizing their supply chain. Karlsson could now use data-driven responsive supply chain to track real-world events, be they political or economic, anticipate changes, and maximize profit. The CEO was delighted. Look at him, that's what we like. And to improve their agility and responsiveness on the shop floor, they used control room analytics, featuring some of the latest cutting-edge technologies. This gave Karlsson the operations-focused real-time dashboards and analytics to enable automation on the shop floor and instantly translate data into action, which meant cost savings in production streams, optimizing costs and avoiding downtime. Winning smiles all round. So, Karlsson kept on making the small things that go into bigger things as well as they always had done. But thanks to Capgemini and SAP, they were more nimble operationally, on the front foot in a marketplace, truly on their way to transformation.